हाँ अभी कोई प्लीज आवाज नहीं करना प्लीज। हाँ थोड़ा इंटरव्यू चल।
अच्छा काजिम काजिम एक सेकंड सुनना, ये सब एडिटेड होगा ना? मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं कि हमने कुछ बोल दिया तो एडिट हो सकता है ना बाद में?
आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी।
नहीं, गांड 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 फट रही है।
Welcome back to yet another episode of LIL, Life in Lockdown. This time we don't have one but two guests on the show, very well known for their healthy rivalry on the field as well as off the field. They are like two jism but one Jan. Let's introduce them. We have with us the dynamic Hitesh Dua, and with him is the vibrant Sunny Sharma. So Sunny and Dua,
हाय
Sunny and Dua, LIL में आपका स्वागत।
थैंक यू सो मच काजिम। It's a
Thank you,
pleasure
Kazim.
being here.
It's an honor to be on your show. We're looking forward to it now.
It's an honor for us also. We are trying something new.
I don't know why I'm smiling though. I'm maybe it's because I'm on the interview, or I think it's more because Sunny is here.
I think because Sunny is here.
He brings the best out of me.
A part and parcel for you. You've given many interviews.
Sunny brings the best out of you, man.
All right, let's start with some questions. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, the first one, and Dua, you answer first, and then Sunny answers.
Sure.
We always see you guys taking on each other on the WhatsApp MCS group. Tell us something about that. The healthy banter which you all keep sharing.
Trust me, सनी का जितना डेटा मुकेश, अनुज और शरद के पास है, वो किसी के पास नहीं होगा, and especially Anuj. So I want to make this clear today for once and all कि सनी का जितना डेटा अनुज के पास है किसी के पास नहीं है.
So Sunny, Hitesh is not the culprit. Anuj is the culprit.
Yes, they just don't have the balls to speak on the group.
And Dua is the face of it.
So
Yeah.
Sunny,
See, I don't mind.
you need to say something, Sunny.
Well, what do I say? I mean, I love having rivalry with Dua.
He loves attention. That's what he's trying to say.
Basically, it's from the start only.
उसमें से कुछ डेटा ना सनी ने मुझे भेजा कि दुआ ये तू रख और ग्रुप पे भेज.
मैं क्यों
ऐसा ही होने वाला है. सनी को दुआ बात करने देने नहीं वाला है.
हाँ यही चलने वाला है. यही होने वाला है.
बोल, ये तेरा टाइम है आज. सनी बोल, खुल के बोल.
I am in an interview with Karan Johar and Rakhi Sawant of MCS. Or maybe Sambhavna Seth suits them better.
अच्छा, let Sunny say something. Sunny बोलो, बताओ कुछ.
By the way, me and Dua were very good. From the start only. I think from the day of TPL, we were in the same team. I don't know what happened to him after that. Once he's in MCS and all, he started taking my cases every day. I don't know what is wrong with this guy, but I still love him very much, and I don't mind it also. I take it very sportingly.
I love. See, it is all. The best part about Sunny is that he takes it all sportingly. I don't know.
Until I'm not drunk.
Yeah. True. So once he's drunk, he'll start leaving the groups and talking shit about me. But then that's okay. So you'll come to know when he's drunk. आज पिया हुआ है, आज चुप रहना चाहिए.
Right. So this is good. Both of them take it in a good manner. Both of them are very sporting. All right. A standard question which we ask everybody. So tell me something new you guys have learned in these lockdowns.
See, to be very honest, this lockdown has been a blessing in disguise for me when it comes to fitness. These 3 months, I've realized that, I really let myself go in the last 2-3 years. I started running, taking up different exercises to get fit. But it's just not for cricket. Maybe, you realize sometimes that you've let yourself go enough. And you need to get back in shape maybe.
Sunny, आपने कुछ सीखा है कि नहीं?
I have just started learning cooking. My dad is a good chef, so he teach me everything. Like, you have to cook now. The day you will get married, you need to do all this.
Or did you say cooking?
Are you on drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you take drugs or alcohol?
What is drugs?
What is drugs? What is drugs?
You said cooking,
Basically, I
right?
became a half
I'll
chef
start
at my
Cooking,
place now.
cooking.
Cooking, okay.
Cooking, not hooking. I can't hook because the clubs are not on, you know. It's shut. So I can't
So
do
you'd
that.
open a club. Which
Obviously,
club do
where
you
else
go
I'll
to?
go?
तो इलियास को ना बहुत सारे बीप्स डालने पड़ेंगे और बहुत एडिट करना पड़ेगा.
Well, I started working out now, trying to get back in a good shape. And luckily, the best part is like my work is still on. So
Nice.
yeah, learned cooking in my this lockdown phase and all.
सनी इंटरव्यू के लिए आज पार्लर जाके आया पता है.
Okay, every cricketer believes in superstitions. What's yours, guys?
My three fist bumps whenever I meet my non-striker at the other end. Red underwear.
Steve Walk, eh? I think Steve Walk used to do that. Red handkerchief or something.
Yeah.
Sunny,
No.
आपका क्या है superstition?
I have only one thing. Whenever I go to bed, I always look up. I just pray to God. Then nobody sledge me, and I want to play my game. But people don't understand. People keep sledging me whenever I'm going to bed.
How did we forget? He idolizes.
Sunny is asking you about superstition.
He idolizes Sachin Tendulkar. He has to look up.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Next question. Who is your celebrity crush?
Priyanka
Priyanka
Chopra.
Chopra.
Oh, that was quick. Both of you are Priyanka Chopra. That's nice.
प्यार करते हैं आपसे
दोनों
जी.
Okay, you guys have played for many teams. You know, I think you played for every team. Which is your favorite team and why? One favorite team and why?
I must say Fairmount Falcons, where we started our career in this tournament.
Okay.
Arif Chunawala.
Right, Rifa. Okay.
Yeah, Rifa. Yeah.
For me, it's All Stars, and it has always been that home team for me. So I would choose All Stars.
Okay. Moving on, guys, we will now play a game. It's called Test Your IQ. Test Your IQ.
Oh God.
I'm going to ask a question. Whoever answers first gets the point. We have 5 questions. You have to be quick. Whoever answers first, it has to match my answer. That person gets a point. The winner gets goodies from Spotino. All right. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
First question. Which creature has wings, cannot fly, yet can swim? Fast.
Fish.
Fast.
Duck.
You don't have so much time. Penguin, Ray. Next question. Listen carefully. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
Incorrectly.
Dua gets the point. Dua gets the point. So Dua is 1, Sunny is 0. Next question.
All right.
The air we breathe, which gas constitutes 78% of that air? Sunny?
H2O.
H2 or oxygen?
That's water.
H2O is water, you idiot.
H2O
Yeah, that's
पानी
water.
है।
Actually. Ah.
Okay, so Dua gets the point.
Sunny breathes carbon dioxide.
So he said water, H2O.
Yeah, he is breathing water.
ये तो edit करके डालेंगे हम H2O. So Sunny breathes.
Sunny is the new Alia
water.
Bhatt of MCS.
So everybody watching, Sunny breathes water. 78% of the gas in his body, what he breathes is water.
No, it's not water. It's H2O.
It's H2O. It's not water. It's H2O.
It's the only chemical composition that he knew of, and he said H2O.
This is a little, complicated word. Hear me out nicely, okay? R, the word, letter R, okay? R is the daughter of Q. R is the daughter of Q. M is the sister of B. Who is the son of Q? So how is M and R related? You want me to say it again?
Yeah.
Okay. R is the daughter of Q. M is the sister of B. Who is the son of Q? So how are R and M related? Guess work ही कर दो.
Husband wife.
समझाओ.
छोटी बहन कोकिला उसका बेटा है बकुल बकुल का जो चाचा है राहुल की जो शादी हुई थी जिसके साथ उसकी जो बहू है उसकी बेटी है तो उसकी बेटी है
Husband wife.
No, wrong. Sunny, your chance.
Let me think.
कुछ भी बोल, guess कर दो.
Chacha.
नहीं, भाई बहन है. Dua is still leading.
ये चाचा
I won.
No, the
I
last
just had to
question.
get 2 right and I'm done.
You already won, but the last question, this is a very easy one. Let's see who can give it first.
Sunny, I'm letting you answer. I'm gonna keep quiet for 1 minute and then I'll speak.
Okay,
Go on,
Sunny, Dua don't answer. What goes up and never comes down?
What goes up and never comes down. What goes up?
अरे भाई ये सनी 10th पास किए कि नहीं?
नहीं यार ये.
दुआ मालूम है? Do you know the answer, Dua? What goes up and never comes down? Age by age.
I've seen people getting younger.
Question answers are over, and Dua wins the competition. Okay, we spoke to a few well-wishers, a few fans of you guys. Guys,
Oh
who
my
listen
God.
to both of you all. So they've given us a set of questions they want to be asked to you. Okay, I'll start with Dua.
Okay.
I've picked 3 questions. Question number 1 is, you have never won a cup, according to them. You have never won a cup, but you still count yourself as the best captain. So why so elusive and overrated player you happen to be?
I've never said that I'm the best captain.
Okay, Dua, that answers the question. He already won a cup, so the question is wrong, and forget the remaining part. Let's
No,
move
it's
on.
okay. I respect whomsoever it was. I respect his feelings.
चाहने वाले हैं भाई, चाहने वाले हैं.
नहीं चाहने fan word गलत use किया although आपने.
The second question is nice. Second question is, people think Sunny is a better player than you in terms of batting, fielding, as well as bowling. How come you rate yourself as a better player than Sunny?
I've never rated myself anywhere better than Sunny. I think Sunny is a very exceptionally good player, fielder.
Thank you.
Sunny, you get a compliment.
Thank
I've
you.
never
Dua.
said that. I don't know where these people are getting these questions from. I mean, if they have any clips or any audio recording like Crazy had of me, please share it on the group and please share it on the group so that it is जग जाहिर हो जाए कि यार मैंने कहाँ बोला ये सब पता नहीं.
No, I want to say something about this.
Bolo.
So basically, no player is greater. It's like he's good at his place. I'm good at my place. So you cannot just compare, players to players.
Sunny, तुझे
सनी
नहीं
को नहीं
मालूम था,
पता
दुआ
था
को
कि
बता
मैं
दिया.
हूँ. सनी को नहीं पता था मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. ये
हाँ, वो
Kazim is the घासलेट of MCS, He adds fuel to the fire.
Okay, next question. Last question for Dua. You always want to comment and be in the thick of things all the time. Are you scared of being unnoticed if you don't do these things?
नहीं यार मतलब अब इतना ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई लाइमलाइट चाहिए किसी को.
That's what your fans are feeling. I don't know how. Okay, Sunny, your turn. Your questions are quite funny. First one.
Okay.
When fielding, you dive around just for the cameras as well as to get your clothes dirty. कि घर पर जाएगा तो बोलेंगे लौंडा कुछ उखाड़ के आया. ये क्या है? Do you do that, Sunny?
It's not that. It's really not that. I love fielding. It's from the start only. The day I started playing cricket, fielding was the first thing I was choose. I used to choose every time. So yeah, I mean, if it's difficult catch, I have to. I have no option. As you see, some of my catches on Swaraj Cup, there was very difficult catches, so I have to dive forward. And yeah, diving, it's like it's in my blood. I love to dive.
Are you a swimmer? Next question. In this lockdown, you went out without a mask, for which आपको डंडे भी खाने पड़े. And we also have a receipt which we are going to show it to the audience. We have a receipt.
Oh my God.
So,
Oh
do
my
you think about the law?
It's a false news basically. डंडे नहीं खाने पड़े थे. I lost my mask, so they made me do sit-ups, 20 sit-ups. Yeah. So I tell you the place also. It's outside Milan Subway.
Right.
I got caught at lockdown 1. I went
Anuj
for the
is going
shopping
to
and
have
I
a
got
blast
caught.
after seeing this video.
So basically only 20 push-ups. They asked me to do 150, but I told them not well, so 20 was enough. Yeah.
20
I was
push-ups.
actually scared.
एक मिनट.
एक मिनट push-ups
I
किया
was
कि
actually
sit-ups किया?
scared.
Sit-ups
Sit-ups. Push-ups नहीं.
150 करने बोला था 150. इसने बोला मैं बीमार हूँ और वो मान गए. पूछा
sir, let
इसको
me
कॉप
go,
ने
sir.
कुछ पूछा. ये भी फैक्ट है काजिम, तुम्हें शायद नहीं पता होगा. इसको कॉप ने कुछ पूछा तो मतलब तू कहाँ जा रहा था. इसने बोला कि मैं मेडिसिन लेने जा रहा था, मम्मी बहुत बीमार है. तूने बोला तू झूठ बोल रहा है. तो बोलते नहीं देखो गणपति पापा का स्टिकर लगा है मेरी एक्टिवा पे, इसकी कसम खा के बोलता हूँ.
हाँ ये फैक्ट है.
कॉप ने चमाट दी.
अच्छा टमाटर.
नहीं मारा नहीं, ऐसे खाली डंडा उठा लिया था तो I was scared.
Next question for Sunny. They say you are the Rakhi Sawant of your Ritumbura group.
People call me Jaunty Rhodes of Ritumbura.
Oh my God. This is
Yeah.
going to be a meme.
So I take that as a compliment. A lot of people tell me, Sunny, you feel like Jaunty and all. So yeah, no Rakhi Sawant, you can say Jaunty
Not the
Rhodes.
Rakhi Sawant. Jaunty Sawant.
No.
He's Jaunty Sawant. I was about to say that.
Jaunty Sawant. Okay, so you guys have been really sporting, and I'm giving you all one chance to ask each other one question, whatever you want. Let's start with Sunny.
The day, Smarty hit you 6 sixes. Did you sleep that night?
No,
Like,
absolutely not. How can I sleep?
Yeah, because
What kind of
I'm
stupid
asking you
question is that?
in a good way. I'm asking you in a good
Yeah,
way.
absolutely. I'm answering it as honestly as
No,
I couldn't sleep for a
yeah.
week,
So,
for
Sunny,
6 nights.
according
But
to
I
Shiva,
haven't.
it is a very stupid question.
Such a
No, but
stupid question. How will I
I just
sleep?
wanted to.
Go your question quickly.
My question might land up him in trouble. Sunny, what do you think? तू B category का player है या C category?
Honestly, B category. Because
B ना, so I
beating,
think Kazim, you
cutting
should
some.
change his category now.
Being very honest. Being very honest.
MPN में सनी का
Yes.
पत्ता कट.
So you stay at B category. Do not. Even I think you're a B category player. You should not play in C category.
I don't deny that, basically. I don't deny that. That's
Yeah. So
true.
Kazim, please.
I mean, batting,
He's
bowling,
gone on record and said this. Please share this with Junaid bhai and make sure that
I'm going to hear this.
change
No,
back
but
again to B
it's
category.
So guys, thank you for being such a good sport. It was really good fun. Thank you for being here in Life in Lockdown. Any parting words
Thank
for
you.
anybody you want to say?
No, I mean, the team Sportino has done an absolutely fantabulous
high
job
complete
during this
Thank you.
lockdown. Also, you all have come out with such a nice concept. Ilyas,
Completely
you all are doing an excellent job here.
Thank
And
you.
this
You,
interview
Ilyas, everyone.
super fun. It was super fun.
Thank you.
Super fun, yeah.
Thank you guys. So we will be back soon with a fresh episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. God bless.